Here we go, here we go, here we go. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Yeah, we're not going football, but we are going to Volcano Bay. Yeah! And yeah, we're waiting to go Volcano Bay.
Turn left on West Sand Lake Road.
It's always you, isn't it?
Sat-nav loves it.
Sat-nav loves sticking her little nose. She does. Yeah, so we're going to go there, and it's going to be really busy because although technically the school children are back at school, they don't seem to be back at school.
No, everyone keeps telling us that they're back, but they're definitely not back. Apparently, I think it's the ones in the local area, like in this area, but they're probably not the main ones that would be in the parks anyway, because they live here. So I don't know. I reckon they'll go back when we go back.
But yeah, we're excited. Lots of slides, lots of new experiences today. Don't really know what to expect. Well, we expect good things. Just hope that
in 1/2 mile, be in the second lane from the left. Then turn left on West Sand Lake Road.
I just hope it doesn't, we're not our excitement isn't clouded by media, and we get there and it's not as good as we hoped. But
yeah, who knows?
Oh well.
I have heard like mixed reviews.
Little squirrel.
No.
There was a little squirrel.
Ran
She ran
across
across
the
the road and it was like, run!
Yeah, I have heard mixed reviews. Yeah, majority was good though, and then obviously we met them people in Universal, didn't we? And they were like, yeah, it was really busy, you couldn't get on anything, meant to have fast passes, but they didn't work. We're still queuing, rah. So yeah, we'll go and experience it for ourselves, keep an open mind.
Turn left at the traffic light, then take...
Tappy Tappoo gives us time. It gives us a ride time, and just in front of me we have Volcano Bay. That is one massive slide, to be fair. Like Emma's paradise. Look at her, look how excited she's got. She started walking quickly. Oh, this is pretty sweet, to be fair. This is really nice. Well, I am so hot. This is my attempt of shade.
Alright?
So, we're currently waiting to go on a ride, well, a log flume thingy. Like a rubber ring individual one. And it's just literally buzzed and said that we're ready to go on. We can go and line up. So I am very happy.
Hi.
Oh look, there's a little pigeon. Restaurant areas, we can sit and eat the food all along here. Here's a restaurant. You can buy the usual park stuff, burgers, barbecue chicken, all the rest of it. That is one of the new hotels being built. New hotels? Cabana Bay Hotel. Extends all the way to the right. That's food does smell good. Pizzas the Dancing Dragons. There's a lovely little drinks bar. Get yourself a beer or wine. Okay, so me and Emma went on the blue one, and that bit on top is like a really big drop, and it pushes you up against the sides. You'll see it in a second, hopefully. You'll see the people go down the slide, like a double dip, you go down there, and up the other side, that big blue bit, and around, come out the front. So a lot longer when we're watching. Kids section. This is pretty cool, to be fair. Tiny little slides there. You've got like a little bit more of like a little junior version of the kamikaze slide. Pretty fun. Got a couple of tube slides. So, these over here you can hire out as a family. And they're like little shacks up there. You've got like sun lounges. I think you've probably got like a fan, lots of different stuff like that. It's really cool. And you're just right near these slides. Okay, so now this one is like a 4-person log flume, and you do have to book your time in. You scan your little bracelet, and we had to wait about 45 minutes for it. But hopefully we'll be able to catch a few people going up one when we go and have a look. Okay, there are 4 slides. These ones are no wait time, so you can literally just scan to go in. Now me and Emma went on the blue one on the left. Hopefully I'll put you down and you get a better view. It's really quick. You go in a double. It's a tube slide double on the ring. And where you turn so quickly, you get the G-force, so it forces you back. It's really cool. There's the dark blue one that we went on. Okay, Ponga races. These are cool. 4-person toboggan ride. You go on a slide each, and you race to the bottom. Earlier on, I went up there. I can't remember what it's called actually. This one. I went on the blue one. Right at the top there, and there's a blue like glass canister. Scan inside the canister, and the floor, there you go, see it open, and the floor drops, and you shoot down that blue bit there, and then you go around in a circle, and it's really fast. You get lots and lots of water in your face. It's a bit like kamikaze, about severe velocity. Just approaching probably the first one that we actually went on, the Maku Pui. It says like Pui. And me and Emma went on the green one, I believe, which is similar to that very dark blue one that we saw at the beginning, where you sort of come out and you slide up the side. A bit slower though than that blue one. It's not bad, it's not bad. You about 5 people on that, 5 or 6 actually. Yeah, the raft going up there. Inside the volcano. my god. So, oh no, and oh yeah. They're both very, very similar. Go down on your bum, go through the tubes, and come out. So that's oh no. And then I went down the purple one. Which we've got. Time up at Volcano Bay. We are very red today.
Yes, we are very red. I am very red. I
feel very burnt. You can't. Oh, there you can. You can see my tan mark. Well, you could until the light changed in the car on my wrist.
We're heading out of Volcano Bay. We had a really good day actually.
It was
I loved
good.
it. It was really good in there.
There's lots of slides, lots to do. You get a wristband where you have to
It's
scan
kind of like
it.
the magic bands that you get.
It's a bit like a magic band, but you only get one chance to do it. So you go beep and you scan it, and then that's for that ride only, and you have to wait until you've been on that before you can go on another one. But you can switch your scanner. So if you found something else that's a little bit shorter lined or shorter wait time, you can beat that. And lose the old one, so you can't build up a collection of fast passes, which is really annoying. So because that's the only downside of that. I think it works. It's good because you can, you're guaranteed you get on within 15 minutes ish, but you still end up having to go and line up. Still, you'd expect to, when that beep comes, you expect to go straight on the right on the tube, but you don't. You then have to wait again, which is really annoying.
I don't think I'm in the right lane. I need you to help me.
Go round there. No, go left. Go left. Left.
I don't.
Left. Sorry, we went the wrong way. And I think once you've scanned it, you should be able to go straight on. But
I think eventually what they'll do is they'll only use that process for the big rides, like the most popular rides. But obviously at the moment it's so busy for everything. Like everything's popular, and I think there was only like one ride really that had 4 different slides on it where you could literally just walk straight onto the ride wide without having to queue or
wait
anything.
or come back.
But I reckon eventually it will just be like the big rides, like the ride that's like Summit Plummet, basically.
When everything starts wearing off and the fascination with a new place starts wearing off.
Yeah, I think that's what they'll eventually do.
But yeah, no, it was good though. I'd give it it was really cool. Like the rides were really good. There was no boring ones. They were all a little bit quite frilly, weren't they?
Yeah, they were all really good. Yeah.
But I think my favourite one has got to be that blue slide that we went down together. I think.
What,
the double one?
The big one.
The double one. No, the double one.
The one we kept going on.
Well, actually, the one on our own was pretty decent, where we dropped into the water. The oh no and oh yeah, they were quite good.
Yeah.
I think my favourite one. Was that blue one that went really quick.
Yeah, probably. Yeah.
We went on it about 3 or 4 times.
They got some really good rides, and we did get on everything really that we wanted to get on, didn't we? There weren't anything that we've walked away not going on.
No, not that we're
not that we really wanted to do.
No.
And anything that we could have, that we wanted to do, we did basically.
Yeah. But yeah, other than that.
Yeah.
Result.
Good.
We're just now gonna go for a cheeky little McDonald's, I think.
Yay!
Macca's! And then we've got Blue Man Group later.
Yep. At 8 o'clock, so we're gonna probably have a couple of hours to chill and get ready, and yeah, it should be good. I'm excited.
I'm really excited.
Yeah. What is that noise?
Hello, Jamie dear. That is mental. Pizza? Hold on a minute. McDonald's pizza.
No hay nadie atrás.
That is a flex. Yeah, it's mad, isn't it? Look at that. It's different. So after my £quarter-pounder meal and massive, huge portion of chips, Emma got a hamburger and a small fries. Small fries. The size of that drink. It's ridiculous. But we got a table service as well, didn't we? Lady brought us over.
Brought us over our food.
No.
Also got salt and pepper on the table. Got a dessert.
Oh yeah, I've already shown that.
Oh.
I've been round already. Bit late, ain't
Pizza,
ya?
pasta.
Late.
What kind of McDonald's is this? Selling pizza and pasta?
Right. Pizza.
A Mac of all trades.
Mac of all trades. Hey, a bit red for, as you can see how red we are, look.
Oh my god, we're really red.
Nearly as red as your lipstick. Em's looking all done up, all pretty.
Best of a bad situation after being at a water park all day, so the hair is still in my famous plait bunchies.
Your
The
Anna
easiest,
belt.
my Anna hair,
Anna hair.
the easiest way. But yeah, we are on our way to Blue Man Group.
Woo! I'll keep doing that.
I know, I'm like, I've got no head, I've got no body, I'm like a headless woman.
Well, no, you're not a headless woman. You're just a head.
I'm just a head, a floating head.
A head with an arm, with a hand.
Yeah. But yeah, so we're going to Blue Man Group. Don't really know much about it, but we've been recommended.
There's lots of men there that's blue.
Yeah, that's about all we do know. But yeah, so we were recommended it by James's auntie and uncle.
Well, to be fair, I've been recommended it by loads of people that I know.
Yeah, since we've booked, a lot of people have said, oh yeah, it's really good, you'll love it. But yeah, so we're very excited.
Yeah. We've still got our parking ticket from earlier as well, which
yeah,
helps.
because they last till 2 AM, so which is good.
Oh, it's just about to rain as well. But yeah, anyway, yeah. We're in the Blue Man Group, just waiting for it to start, but we're not allowed to record, unfortunately, so take some photos instead of
We'll just have to update you on how well it was. Very excited, and we think it'll be good.
Just kick the flipping floor.
I'm going to stand on here so I'm tall for once.
That was one of the best shows I've ever seen, actually. It was absolutely hilarious.
Yeah, that's Blue Man Group that he's talking about.
Yeah. not this group that is playing.
Yeah, it's really good. We didn't have a clue what to expect, really.
It was just hilarious. They were so funny.
It's really
they just keep a straight face the whole time. It was like,
it's silly humour though, but it's funny. Like, I think most people would laugh at it.
yeah.
It's good, really good humour.
It completely exceeded my expectations. It's perfect. Like, kids will love it, and
I think everyone would love it.
You can't
I
not
think my
laugh.
dad would love it. I think my dad would find that really
it's
amusing.
just
'cause
hilariously
it's quite
funny.
stupid, sarcastic
Humour.
dry kind of
They
humour.
don't talk the whole time. It's just complete silent. They don't talk. They're like aliens. It's almost like they're aliens. Isn't
Yeah,
it?
like a mime act. It's good.
Yeah, they are. They're completely like aliens, and everything that they respond to the audience. And
Nothing what I expected.
Nah.
At all.
Yeah, it's
But
brilliant.
yeah, really, really
Well
good,
funny.
and I highly recommend it. So yeah,
I'd recommend it to anyone.
yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
If you're coming over here, definitely book it because it's worth it. what I wanted to say.
Yeah, I know what you wanted to say. We're just heading towards the chocolate, Toothsome Chocolate Emporium.
Which looks amazing.
All you need is Willy Wonka and it'll be perfect. Absinthe chocolate.
Oh my gosh!
Beer and bacon. This is so random.
Anything else? Beer and bacon.
Cookies and cream.
Peanut butter and bacon.
Peanut butter and jelly. Chocolate Nutella. Look at them ones there now.
Amazing, don't they?
It smells so nice.
What are these? Are these cookies? Cinnamon sugar. Okay. And then these things? Oh, okay. That's okay.
Okay, so we went in now, in the shop, and I bought a passion fruit chocolate. $2.50, $2.50 for that. It may be the best chocolate I've ever had in my life. Passion fruit. Do you know what I can describe that as? It tastes like, have you ever had a J2O? It tastes like a J2O on a chocolate.
Is it good?
Yeah, no, it's really nice. I'll give
Nice,
you some.
weird,
See?
nice.
Yeah, no, it's nice. It's good. You can really taste the passion fruit though. It's really good. Yeah. Right. Right. It's weird, isn't it?
It's really rich, but you get a real kick of chocolate, of like passion fruit.
Yeah. Get it, licking it.
It's really creamy, it's like moussey chocolate.
Smoothie chocolate, yeah. Oh.
And then the shell's maybe
hard.
like white chocolate.
Yeah. It's really good though, isn't it? I wish I had a whole.
I've never tried anything that's
Yeah.
not chocolate flavoured.
I wish I had a whole
It's
box.
good.
So this place is decent,
Yeah.
but I wished I had a whole box full of them. But they were charging something like $15 for a whole box of them. Only 6 as well, so it weren't even that many. But yeah.
Yeah, they do really loads of different things in there. They do obviously the different flavoured chocolates. They also got in there, people are buying sundaes and milkshakes, the big ones with all the cream and chocolates on and stuff.
Huge ones.
They've also got a restaurant in
yeah.
there that had just your regular food, barbecue chicken and
Pizzas.
pizza, or flatbreads as they call them over here. Yeah, it looked really good to be fair. I really fancied a waffle though,
Yeah.
but I don't know. We didn't go in there for waffles.
I know.
We just went in there to be nosy.
We just have a little nose, and I couldn't help but buy something if I see chocolate.
Yeah.
I'm a bit of a chocoholic.
The little chocolate monster over here had
Yeah.
to buy a little chocolate, didn't he?
No.
Oh, you did. Love a little chocolate.
But anyway, yeah. On the way home now, I guess.
Yeah.
Away from all the noise.
Until we find
Into
something else
sort
that
of-
we get distracted
Sounds like
by.
I'm in, in a violin. I don't know. We're outside Islands of Adventure at the moment. Yeah.